Hello friends, in this video we will try to discuss how to calculate a factorial number using Scala. Okay, now let's try to create object. So Scala program to calculate factorial of a given number. Okay, now we will try to define the main method. Def main args array of string. Okay, now we will try to define a method. So in order to calculate iterative way for the factorial, so def, let's say factorial of, let's say I am taking a constructor argument n. It is a type of integer and the return type of factorial is also an integer. Okay, within it, so let's try to take a variable, let's say of, it should start with 1, so the minimum number is 1. Now we will use the for loop I 1 to n. Okay, now f equal to f into I. Now we will return f. Okay, now in the main method we will try to call that, let's say this is driver program. Now let's say println factorial of, let's say 5. So what we are trying to do here, we have defined a method called factorial and we have taken one, we are passing one argument called n, so it is type of integer and the factorial return type also an integer, and then we are passing one, taking one variable which starts from 1 and we are looping it using for loop, and the minimum value will be the 1 and the nth value, like the number which we are going to take it up for the factorial, right? So that will be placed for nth position, and within it will try to calculate f into I. Means let's say I have taken 5, right? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. So if I take it 10 till 10, it will try to calculate. Now we will try to, so what we are trying to do here, iterative way to calculate factorial. So we are calculating iterative way. So now let's try to run and see the results. So it's 120 the result has given. So what it is happening here, it is iterating, so it is giving 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, so it is calculating. So like that every time, once 1 into 2 is done, then it's go and check with the third element and it will try to give third and fourth and fifth, it will pick up and it's try to give, let's say for example sixth we want to do the factorial. Now sixth is 720. Okay, so like this we can try to get nth number of factorial, means any number which we can pass that will give the factorial of that number. That's all for today's guys. If you really like this video, please do subscribe, like it, and share it, and please do